Continuing with our Browning Maxus maintenance series, we can now reassemble the firearm. First, we'll assemble the bolt and slide it into the receiver. Pushing the bolt release button will allow it to slide in place. Make sure the link is properly seated in the action spring follower. Insert the bolt handle and work the bolt to make sure it functions properly. Now we can set the trigger housing in the receiver and insert the pins. When reassembling the gas system, check that the push rod fits correctly into the slot in the receiver and that the gas system spring is in place. Now we can install the barrel and then slide the forearm over the magazine tube. The latch on the fore end will automatically lock when it's in place. Once the gun's back together, do a complete function check to make sure everything is correct. Cycle the action several times and test the safety and trigger function. Finally, you'll want to wipe the entire gun down with a silicone cloth or a lightly oiled cloth, and your work is complete.